This is the TOPOLLA step-down international travel power adapter. Let's take it out of the box. Okay, so here it is here, and in the box you get an instruction booklet. You get a power cord that has a European style plug, but not to worry because they give you adapters, which goes to a Mickey Mouse style connector, which will plug into the unit there. You get three different adapters here. First of all, this is European as such. You also get a US plug. You get an Australian and for the UK. And this can plug directly onto there to give you a US plug that you would need to use this in the US, although you're really going to be using it overseas because that really is the point. They also give you a nice little carry pouch for it here. The unit itself has two US outlets on it. If you are in a European Union, you can use an adapter and another adapter if you needed to, but that shouldn't really be an issue. You also get 4 USB ports. You get 3 standard USB ports that put out 2.4 amps, and you also get a USB-C type port that's 3 amps at 5 volts. There's also a power button right here. So let's get this plugged in. Now I am here in the United States, so I am running 120 into this, but like I explained at the very beginning, this is a step-down unit. So that means that if you're in a country that uses 220 or 240 volts, this unit will step it down to standard US 120 volt outlets right here. So if you have a device that only uses 120 volts, you can plug it in overseas using this adapter. Press the power button there and it turns on. Now this will handle up to 200 watts in total for these ports here. So you can't be plugging a hair dryer or a teapot or something with any kind of heating element into there. This would be great for something like an electric shaver maybe, or anything else that uses a small amount of wattage under 200 watts. If you happen to have some of those plug-in, wall wart type transformers, you can use those in here as well, as a lot of times those meant for use in the US are only going to be 120 volts. But a lot of things today already come with switch mode power supplies that are multi-voltage, handling anywhere from 100 to 240 volts. So this would be for devices that you need to run at 120 because they don't support running at 240 volts. Plus you could plug your phone, your tablet, your iPad, anything in here that you want, and charge those all while using the 2 power outlets right there. Convenient power button right there as such. The plug, like I explained, is European, but I have the US plug in there, and that plugs right in just like that. If you had another type of thing such as UK, that would plug in there, or Australian, which is this one, can plug in there, and these all can actually plug together as well. So you see how they all plug together. You can do that if you wanted to, although there's really no need to. So if you were in Australia and you needed to use this, why, that would just plug in right over there. This also claims to be a pure sine wave converter as well. It does not mention if it'll convert 50 hertz to 60 hertz. I don't believe it will. I believe it just passes the frequency through. But there is no simulated or square wave, sine wave type thing going on here. It is a true sine wave as you'd get out of the socket. So once again, this was the TOPOLLA step-down international travel power adapter. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.